Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to teach us how to activate field in Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I'm talking about this thing that comes up at times when you're trying to open your Excel. So let's learn how to do that. So first of all, we need to close all our application. Next, you go to your documents or your desktop and click on this PC, my PC, how it is named on yours. Next, click on local disk. And this will come up. We're going to click on program files. So you click on program files. On the program files, we're going to click on Microsoft Office because we want to bring out the OSPPREARM file. It stands for Office Software Protection Platform Rearm. So we have a lot here, but we're going to use the OSPPREARM. It's a feature that makes users to extend their retrial, because this is not a paid version of Microsoft. So right click on this and we're going to click on Run as Administrator. And this will pop up, and let's wait for it to come up. So we're good to go now. Close this and let's open Microsoft Excel to see that it's working. Come blank workbook, ta-da, and it's working. So whenever your retrial period is over, just do this to activate your retrial.